What's up, y'all? Happy New Music Friday. So MGK just dropped his new EP. Let's give it a quick once over, y'all. Y'all ready? Let's get it. Come on. Build it up then, boy. Build it up then, boy. Okay. Reminds me of Travis Scott.
Hated the most, so I keep my haters close. Let them know I want to smoke. So much bread I gotta boast. This burner turn you into toast. All these zippers on me. I got blowing like I got a whistle on me.
Okay.
Hey, can't stop getting paper. Hey, can't stop rolling papers. Hey, LSD and coca. Hey, La Vida Loca. Hey, she don't feed me grapes. Hey, I'm 7 years older. Try me if I'm sober. Yeah, come over. Two girls that look like Tina Fey and Amy Poehler.
Hey.
Back shot, right behind the backdrop.
Okay.
Can't stop turning up. If you care. Hey, can't stop getting paper. Hey, can't stop rolling papers. Hey, LSD and coca. Hey, La Vida Loca. Hey, she gon' feed me grapes. Hey, we don't go on dates. Hey, got a man at home, but she love the way I.
Okay, I see you, MGK. He's definitely going for the trap sound. This is not for the old school boom bap heads right here, man. This is definitely the trap sound right here, man. I like this Travis Scott and Migos flavor right here. Let's keep it going.
I ain't taking calls, I've been going through shit. I don't speak at all, I've been going through shit. Don't say nothing to me, I've been going through shit. I've been
Travis
through
Scott.
so much that what I took is not enough.
Okay, stop. Look, I can't help but hear Travis Scott production all over this thing right here, man. I don't know who produced this thing, but it definitely sounds like Travis Scott produced this album right here. I would love to see a collaboration with MGK and Travis. Let's keep it going. Come on.
The boy looks like Dory. Only one way that I'm performing. Pour it up. Keep it coming, I need more love. Pour it up. Keep it coming, till I'm pour it up. I don't even go in public without feeling like I should be on the surface. I've been going through shit. Don't say nothing to me, I've been going through shit. I've been through so much that what I took is
Nice. This is nice.
Feel like Kevin Gates, kick that right in the face. Like Johnny Cash. Stupid enough that they can do something to us. Tell me, who the crazy enough that they can light stadiums up like. I just wanna know why every time I drop another, maybe sleeping in the mug in the mud. Who the more respect? You better be paying.
Okay, I see you, MGK, on your Travis Scott wave, man. This is slapping, man. My subwoofers are just. I like it.
Don't have a heart attack now. Somebody help your man.
You know what this is.
Knees weak of old age. The real Slim Shady can't stand up. I'm sick of them sweatsuits, them corny hats. Let's talk about it. I'm sick of you being rich and you still mad. Let's talk about it. All of us single dads and I'm ugly, always making fun of me. Stop all the thuggery, Marshall, you living in luxury. Look what you done to me, dropped an album just because of me. Damn, you in love with me. You got money, but I'm hungry. I like it this, but you won't say them lyrics out in front of me. Shout out to every rapper that's a fun of me. Know that I'll never do you like this. Still bitter rap. Ride a shotty, cause I got a road. It's a fast road. When your idols become your rivals. Never hesitate to say it to your face. I'm a go.
Oh my God, Ronnie.
We know you get nervous.
Love that song. I absolutely love that song. MGK definitely bodied that thing right there, man. He had the better rap song and he had the best punchlines. So yeah, man, you guys saw how I felt about that. Let's keep it going. Come on.
Kill me when they try. Couldn't see me in the skies when you camouflage eating pad thai. I don't get regular high. I ain't no regular guy. I think I want the entire planet. You can keep the American pie. And you know I never lie. I kept the put it in reverse. Put the in a hearse. Watch me murder with a verse. Put these rappers in the dirt. Mirror on the wall. Who the realest of them all? You already know the answer. Top guns, come on. Y'all got a tear. Exterior is frozen. I'm from Cleveland, we the coldest. Almost no coincidence that when you try to take a pic, it's too much ice for you to focus. Body shotty, cause I got a road.
It's production, baby. It's production nasty. Keep going.
Lately, I've been having crazy thoughts. The way I'm living. dog. Pierce my ear, got my fucking hair. In 7th grade, I didn't have a bed, I had to share.
Not a single skill. Not a single skill.
Have you ever had somebody try to take your life? Sometimes I ain't. Lately, I've been having crazy thoughts. The way I'm living.
Let's go to my gym mix. I'm be on the treadmill like this here.
Lately, while we barely talk. Now you know I'm trying to change, but it's very hard. I promised myself I ain't never going home. Now, be the shit that they don't know. They don't know. I only smile in public just for show. I know they try to warn me about my ghost. Know them kids be with the A and now them kids be seeing ghosts. Lately, I've been having crazy thoughts.
Yes. This is how you do it, guys. Migos, if you're paying attention, this is how you do it. You pick out your favorite 8 to 9 songs and make an album of it. I can't listen to 20 songs of this, but 9 songs, I can do it. This is dope. Let's keep it going. Keep it going.
Hey, hop in, roll up, belly, shotgun, toes up, gangs high, my bar, all tattoos on my top kill.
You know how they be doing.
I just need 3 in the top. Give me gold and some raw, yeah. Scrape up the knees on the raw, yeah. I ain't gonna show you no love, no. You say my name, you a dub, no.
I hear with the little Uzi.
From the lies, be asking questions about who I'm dating. Ay, even if I gotta go, she know I'm playing. Ay, smoke that tree like Willow, that moonwalk like Jaden. Ay, boss up got my game, it's like this contagious. Ay. All of my streets, you know I spill my blood on the pavement. Knock that man out, how you make $1 million, baby. Let's get it. Picked up where I left off, 4, 3, 2, 1, lift off. Yeah, went to get the room, I had to floor rented off. The hotels in the hall, it's like Odell, how I bought. Got a wholesale with the straw. Now a nose red from the raw. Mug shot locked up abroad. The police and the dogs. Hold up, break the rules, cause y'all. I've been getting lit since 11 years old. Go ahead, call the cops. I'm on the roof of my shops. I got a in the whole time. Don't give a fuck if it's dark or not. Bounce. Yeah. I just pulled up to the red car.
Yeah.
Drugs in every single pocket.
Yeah.
Get the fuck out my face.
Yeah.
I cannot feel my face.
Yeah.
I don't want time, just face.
Yeah.
Put it all on the face.
Yeah.
Get the fuck out my face.
Yeah.
I cannot feel my face.
Look at me now. I'm where to go.
Okay. All right. There we go. There you go. We come to the end, y'all. Final thoughts about this album. This album is flawless, y'all. This album is freaking flawless. Man, listen, there's 2 types of hip-hop heads, right? There's the boom bap head. There's the guy who wants to listen to music and bob his head like this and listen to some lyrics and listen to some bars and some rappity rap and some metaphors and, you know, boom, bap, boom, bap, boom. You know, he wants to move his head like that and he wants to listen to lyrics and stuff. This ain't the place for that. This ain't the place for that, y'all. This is the place for the new wave flow, right? This is for trap music right here. This is for those who want to bounce like this. You know, you want to, you want to hit them, you want to hit them little Uzi verts and you want to, you know, do all of that stuff right there and hit and do all that right there. That's what this is for, y'all. And for that lane, perfect album right here, man, for people in that lane of music right there. And you got to be able to switch your brains off and switch your station and know which lane of music you're listening to and how you're executing in that lane. And this album absolutely knocked it out of the park with the execution in that lane right there. Like I was saying earlier, listen, guys, these Migoses and these Travis Scotts putting out these long ass 20 song albums. Stop it. I can't take listening to 20 songs of the same sounding songs, but a nice little 8-9 song EP like this of that sound gives me the perfect sugar rush that I'm looking for. So this is a great platform for, man, making this sound, this trap sound. All we need is 8 good songs, man. That's all we need. And that's exactly what this was. This was 8 solid trap flavored songs right here, man. And I can't complain about this thing right there. This thing was flawless. I was hitting all them little dance moves like that right there, and I was you know, all that right there, man. This album absolutely nailed that lane of trap music right here, man. And this thing was flawless. Absolutely love this album. I'm gonna be coming back to this thing many times. I'm gonna take this album and I'm just gonna throw it in the playlist shuffle with the Migoses and with the Travis Scotts and all the guys who do this trap flavored music like the Futures and stuff like that, man, and have myself a good time with this album. This is a fantastic album for that lane of music, and I can't complain about this thing, man. You guys saw my reaction to it, just my thoughts. Till next time, ow! And oh yeah, shout out to the production on this album. This album was slapping, man. This album is hands down subwoofer certified, man. For you guys who like to pull up with the windows down, you know, you pull up at a gas station with your windows down, this the album you gonna be bumping. You pull up to, you know, a spot where there's a bunch of ladies around and you want to flip and floss your whip a little bit. You got some candy paint, you got some rims, you got a subwoofer going and some amps and all that stuff going. This is go slap. This is go slap right here. So this album right here is go bump in the streets, man. This is go bump in the whip right here, man. So shout out to production on this album. This thing was slapping. My speaker was just and all that right there. So shout out to the production on this album. Shout out to MGK for having a fantastic ear for beats right there, man. So the $1 million question is this album better than Kamikaze? Absolutely, man. And it's very simple. My answer is very simple. Kamikaze has skippable songs. This album didn't. That's that simple, man. Kamikaze had some weird moments there at the end, man, where I was just skip, you know, and that normal song skip. So that's like 4 songs right off the back that I'm skipping off of Kamikaze. Normal, and then those last little weird 3 songs right there. But this album right here, put it in. You getting ready to go out to the club, you hanging out with the fellas, and you want to turn the speakers up and bump this bad boy, not a single skip, man. So yeah, this album was better than Kamikaze. I absolutely love this album. Just my thoughts, man. All right, let me get out of here. Peace.